The miracle plant we're going to be talking about is the aloe vera. I planted some of this at my balcony, not balcony, like beside my house. I'm just going to harvest it, freshly harvested from my garden. This is how you harvest your aloe vera, and then we're going to wash it properly. There are lots of benefits of aloe vera, like it helps to eliminate constipation, it aids digestion when you ingest it, and it also helps to regulate blood sugar. But you want to consult with your doctor before you take this gel if you have very high blood sugar or very low blood sugar. And it also helps to regulate blood temperature, blood pressure, and it helps in blood circulation. But it's also very good for the skin. It helps to get rid of toxins, which are part of the reasons why your skin looks dull. So once you finish washing your aloe vera, you just peel it off from the separate the gel from the back of the leaf, and then you put it in the blender and you blend it. You add in a bit of water. The thing with aloe vera is that it seems to taste very bitter, but if you take it, it's not that bad at all. It's actually very okay. So you just blend it. You can either strain it out or you drink it like that, but I prefer to drink my juices plain and smooth, no interruption. So I'm going to strain mine with a strainer, and drinking this every morning is like drinking it like taking medicine. And why not, just like when you need medicines to treat an illness, aloe vera is just like that. You drink it to treat your skin and help your body flush out toxins, which in other essence helps you have a good skin. And it's also good to flush toxins. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that helps your body thrive properly and normal. So this juice is not only supposed to be used on your skin, you can ingest it and it's very good. Taking it should be very early in the morning on an empty stomach. You take 40 to 60 ml of this aloe vera and you'll be happy. It has been proven to work efficiently 100%. You can take it 4 times in a week or 5 times in a week, but you have to consult with your doctor if you have any underlying medical conditions, like I'll always say on this channel. My name is Nzube and I am Beauty Through Nature. I make skincare videos, natural skincare videos, and natural care for your body kind of videos. If that's the kind of content you like, that's the kind of content you're looking out for, just subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next one. Kisses.